Corrupt contracts, the key to poor infrastructure. Well, that's according to the Executive Director of the National Integrity Action, NIA, Professor Trevor Monroe. He was addressing a 4-H club workshop in Clarendon. We have more in this report.
Potholes of corruption. Executive Director of the National Integrity Action, NIA, Trevor Monroe, says Jamaica doesn't just have one of the highest road densities in the world, but it's also one of the worst. He says according to the National Security Policy document, the bad roads are directly linked to corruption.
But one of the main reasons for us having such a bad road network is corruption in the award of contracts for rehabilitating or patching the road. So, the contractor gets the job to patch the road, to rehabilitate the road. He doesn't have the qualifications. He doesn't have the experience. He uses inferior material. Why? He has the political contacts.
But it's not just the bad roads. Corruption is also linked to flooding, he argues.
This flooding has to do not only with drains that are not constructed to take that volume of water or with roads that are not properly designed. It also has to do, ladies and gentlemen, with buildings being constructed where they ought not to be, and permits being granted for persons to build in areas that they should not get permits to build.
And this is not just an infrastructure issue. Professor Monroe says the importation of illegal guns is one of the biggest threats to safety and security, and corruption at the ports is to be blamed. He is calling for more individuals to come forward with information to catch those at the helm of corruption. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.